In this video, we're going to look at custom sorting. So before we go on to custom sorting, we need to select the data. There we go. I've selected using Control A. Then we're going to go to Home tab, and then we can go to Sort and Filter. From there we can go to Custom Sort. There is another way to go to it, that is going to Data, and then you have Custom Sort here. There we go. Click on it, and here is the Custom Sort window has popped up. Now you can add column name. Here we have names the same as the titles: name, year, month, product. It happens because the box my data has headers is checked on. If the box wasn't checked on, then the sorting would have been done by column C, D, E, F, the columns, the entire columns. So make sure that your my data has headers is checked on and you have given appropriate headers there. For example, if I had chosen my data from here to here except excluding the headers, and then we went to sort and my data has headers, the headers are now actually the datas. Okay, so make sure that you choose the entire thing. There you go. Now we go to sort. Now in sorting, let's just say I wanted to sort the year. Well, the year is already in ascending order, so let's give it to descending order. We can give it to largest to smallest, and then click on OK. This isn't actually custom sorting, this is just simple sorting. Now we're going to learn the custom sorting. So we have year here, then we're going to add a level. Now it is going to sort by year first, then it is going to sort by let's say product, and then it's going to sort by month. But I wanted to sort by year, then month, then product. So what can I do? What I can do is I can use the up and down arrow to move the then by sorts. So let's bring month before product by clicking on the up arrow, and now month has gone up before product. So it is going to sort the year first, then it's going to sort the month, then it's going to sort the product. Okay, so and where now the order, we go to custom list. Now we don't want custom list for the year, we'll just give it to smallest to largest. And then for month, A to Z, we are not going to use A to Z. Let's go to custom list, and from here you can select January, February, March, or Jan, Feb, March, April, like that. There's also Sunday, Monday, Sun, month, two. So I'm taking January, February, March, April, this format, clicking on OK. So month has been selected, and then we do by product. Now instead of A to Z product, we can go to custom list, and we cannot give that there, so we are doing A to Z. So let's keep it like that, and then when I hit on OK, there we go. It has first done the years in order, then the months. So for the first first four, we have 2016, and then comes March, October, December, and then January. Okay, so it has been done by order. Now we have the products here. The products are done A to Z, but it doesn't seem to be done with A to Z order. Let's keep it again. There you go. Yeah, products, the values, cells, font to Z. Let's give it Z to A. Click on OK. Nothing has changed on products. Let's give A to Z again. There you go. Products are not changing. Most likely the reason is that the products, the values that are representing are not accurate for sorting. Now let's go there again. Let's do month to A to Z. Click on OK. There we go. Now the order has changed to A to Z. So for 2016, we have December, then January, March, and October. And for 2017, you have December, July, and May, and then September, like that. Now let's do Z to A for that. Click on OK. There we go. So that is how you can do customs. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.